Buy.com, kidrobot.com.
Hey everybody, how's it going? We're doing another video today, right, Violet?
Yeah, and we're doing a Rapunzel video.
Rapunzel video. We're opening a Rapunzel princess styling tower. So we got it open already. So
Yeah,
this is
we
it.
did, and this is Pascal.
Pascal, okay.
Yeah, and this is who is it?
Rapunzel, right? Is that Rapunzel?
Yeah, there is a dressing Rapunzel makeover.
Oh, let's see. Oh, is that her with her short hair? Look at it. Oh yeah, that's her with her short hair.
And there's all different ones. Look, in the box, there's all different ones.
Oh, so there's different accessories?
Yeah, there's a tree and the little one and this one. You want to get them out? Just tell your parent or mission with super glue. This is a parent submission.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, so they have a hair here, right? Okay, so this is, you can make her hair long.
Yeah, or short.
Here you go.
Or short.
Okay.
Or just, it's a movable.
Removable. Okay, and you could do, I think you could do a braid too. Well, that was hard to take out. So ask your parents for help, definitely, to take this out. So here's a braid.
Yeah, so help me put this on the bikini top.
She has a bikini top?
Look.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Mom, I can't.